Designed to build the future, the synths were instead tasked with cleaning up the past. But for every bottle retrieved, 1,000 more drifted out to sea.
What looks like paradise from afar is up close a disturbing blend of nature and synthetic waste.
Designed for minimal impact, the android ensures the beach remains pristine for the next tidal cycle.
A decade after the restoration project began, the synchronized return of the gulls signals a new era for the coastal ecosystem. The slow, steady pulse of the ocean returns to a cleaner shore. Thanks to the reclamation drones, the microplastics are finally receding.
Wait, look at sector Gamma 7. That spike isn't normal.
Processing data anomaly.
The integration wasn't easy, but as the sunsets show, we found our peace alongside them.
We leave our mark, but the sea always claims it back. A transient